Hello friends, hope you are doing great, and today I will unbox this expensive package that cost me around 1.5 lakh rupees. And this expensive package took around 2 months from United States to the small city in Kashmir. Inside the package there are the small files which are used during the root canal procedure. But why I didn't purchase it from the country? Because I mostly use the files from the SybronEndo. And the SybronEndo is no more in the country because it vacated from India right after the COVID. So I tried to find these files from across the country, but I didn't find them anymore. So I buy them online and receive this package right after 2 months. So what's inside the package, I will show you. So before unboxing this package, if you are new in the channel, please hit the like button below and do subscribe my YouTube channel to help me monetize my YouTube channel. So let's unbox this package. So the first one I'm having is this bunch of the rotary files. This is the rotary files of the 25/6% taper in size from SybronEndo. I will open it. Yeah, this is the 25/6%. I'm very happy to have this bunch of it so long. So I will keep these rotary files on the side, and later on I will show you one by one what's inside them. But first we will unbox whole of the package. Yeah, we did whole of the unboxing. Now I will come to the first file. This is the assorted kit 23mm for the posterior teeth. There are the 3 files inside this small box from SybronEndo. So I will open the box. I will show you the kind of files inside this boxes. So yeah, I got the 3 files. I know these files are specially meant for the posterior teeth, and 3 files of different sizes. The first one is green stopper file is the 25/8%, and next one is the 36%, and later on it's the 25/6% file. So the 3 files, and especially these files are meant for the posterior teeth, and they are known as the TF files. TF stands twisted files. They have a very high cutting efficiency and do the job very fast. 25/8, this is the initial file I am using, and once I will achieve the glide path with the glide path file, I will show that file later. You can directly use the 25/6% file, and after that you can use the 36% file. So this is about the assorted kit. Now I will come to the another file size. Yes, this is the next file. There's the 25/6% taper. This file is also included in the assorted kit, but I have purchased that separately too, because this is the most commonly file I'm using, and most of the narrow canals, and I stop my preparation with this 25/6% taper file. So I will open it. Yeah, there are 3 files in the set, and all the 3 are the 25/6%. Very good files and very efficient, very fast cutting efficiency. The next few boxes I have purchased this TF 35/6% taper, which I mostly use in the distal canal of lower molars and the palatal canal of maxillary molars. So these are the 3 files in the box which I mostly use in the wide canals. Now I will talk about this file. This is the beautiful file 25/4% taper. This is actually the glide path file which I use right after orifice enlargement, and once I complete taking the working length with the 10 size file, I directly use this 25/4% taper size after the 10 number file. And there are the 3 files inside the box, and I will show you what's good about these files is the flexibility of this file. They are very flexible files, with a very high cutting efficiency and do the job very fast. This 25/4% file I'm using as a glide path file. Yeah, this is the file. You can see the quality, the material of the file it's made of. Yeah, very flexible. You can see how file bends. It's very flexible, and 25/4% mentioned here. So this 25/4% makes the glide path to the full working length. This is the 25/4% file. Now I will talk about this TF gutta percha. This is also from the SybronEndo. This is the hand roller points, the 50 points inside this box, and this gutta percha is specifically compatible with this TF file system, and I mostly purchase this 25/6% taper because in most of the cases I complete my filing till the 36, but I use the gutta percha one size smaller than my master file. I will open the box, and yeah, this is inside the box. You can see the 50 cones inside the box, and this TF gutta percha is not like that ordinary gutta percha we're having in the market. This is the very expensive. This is the but with a high quality gutta percha from the SybronEndo. I will show you the one cone. You can see this. The cone is designed perfectly for your canal filling. So this is the TF gutta percha for the compatible TF files. So this is the whole thing that's present inside this expensive package. I wait for so long. And one more personal thing I want to tell you is that this year I'm gonna buy a Royal Enfield Himalayan bike for myself, but I didn't purchase that. I skipped that part. Instead of that, I purchased this file system and one more thing for my practice and for my patients, so that my patients get the much and more advanced work, the decent work from my hands, and it will also help me to improve my practice. So leave that Royal Enfield Himalayan part. So I buy those files. So that's much better than that. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, thank you.